Hello and welcome to this year's 2012 Explore Vision Technology presentation. We have a bunch of good projects and a bunch of good ideas that we're going to show to you guys today. Our first group did a fascinating and exciting presentation on the football helmet camera. Please welcome Dr. Brad Chambers and Dr. Calvin Kirby.
Hey. Thank you. All right. Yes, I'm Brad, and this is Calvin.
Yes.
And, well, as you've already heard, we are doing our presentation on a helmet camera that was futuristically
like installed into a football helmet. So here's present technology, and this was the HD Hero 2. It's a top of the line GoPro helmet camera that you can put on helmets of pretty much anything, like biking helmets, snowboard helmets, all that stuff, except football helmets, because you can't really snap it on and you hit people, so you have to have it inside. So, and then these are some really nice helmets with all the gel padding and stuff. So there's present technology. History. So the idea of cameras first came from the camera obscura, which is a thing. The idea of that came from, there was a hole, and it projects something that's outside of the hole upside down, like that. That's a picture of a candle. And the idea first came from Aristotle, I think. Yep. And that's it.
Some futuristic things we can do with the camera is it can be used in tons of different ways. Cameras these days can be like super small, like the size of your finger, and people can put them in like a coat pocket, or I don't know why, but your shoe maybe for some reason, a hat for other things. You can use them on animals, of course, as you can see right there. You're probably all enjoyed by that picture. You can put them on dogs, birds, other things. Some cameras can go into space. They can stand up to 1,000 pounds per square inch, which is a lot. Breakthroughs in the camera, in the helmet camera. The cameras, as you can see, have gotten really small and continue to get smaller. So they can be, even ones these size, they can be waterproof, video functions, fast motion picture capturing, and original cameras are about 8 inches long and 4 inches wide, which is probably normal size camera if you look at Spencer's. And really small these days, like cameras can be the size of flies.
Okay, so for our design process, first idea we came up with was a water-powered car, because that would be a lot less money to run, and sounds like a good idea. But we don't really know how a motor works or anything, and that would be really complicated. So we did, the other idea was a gutter system that could like separate the water from the other stuff, and then you could use the water in like sprinklers. And we didn't do that. And then this is like a generator that can absorb energy, so it saves power.
Consequences. As you can see, I had a little fun with that. Sometimes they're not always bad, but they can be. Like some people, there's been some pretty bad calls in football history, and if there were cameras, like smaller ones for the individual football players, then the ref and everyone else could see what's happening. And as you can see, I was really bored when I was doing that. Dorothy, that's it.
Any questions?
don't really.
Gavin?
What did the water gutters and all those have to do with your project?
Well, it was just ideas that we came up with before and decided not to do.
Any other?
Anything else?
All right, give my hand. It's tough to go first and then